Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to enable low power mode on iPhone. Extend battery life. You can also enable low power mode whenever you like. For example, let's say it's the start of a long day and you know you'll be away from an outlet for a long while. To activate low power mode from the settings app, first head to the settings, then tap on battery. Then activate low power mode slider. The battery indicator in the status bar will turn yellow while low power mode is enabled on your iPhone. Your iPhone will always automatically disable low power mode when you charge it up to a certain point. Low power mode is always temporary and only lasts until the next proper charge. There's no way to permanently enable it. You can also activate and deactivate low power mode from the control center, rather than digging through the settings app each time. To do so, head to the settings and control center, customize controls. Tap the plus sign to the left of the lower power mode. To add the toggle to your control center, and then touch and drag it to position it where you like it. You can now swipe up from the bottom of the screen and tap the battery shape button to enable or disable low power mode. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.